Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best bedside bassinet portable baby sleeper, the Cowiewie Bassinet Bedside Sleeper in Gray. This product stands out in the world of baby gear for parents looking for a safe, convenient, and stylish co-sleeping solution. Let's dive into what makes this bassinet a great pick for your newborn's early months. Starting off with design and build quality, the Cowiewie Bassinet is crafted to bring your baby closer during those precious early months, from birth up to about 5 months old. It features a sleek, neutral gray color that blends beautifully with most bedroom or nursery interiors, and the faux birch finish adds a touch of elegance that doesn't scream baby gear. Now, let's talk comfort. This bassinet is lined with a breathable 3D mesh fabric on all sides. That means optimal airflow, which is a huge plus for keeping your baby cool and comfortable through the night. No need to worry about stuffy sleep environments. The mattress included is both firm and breathable, which is exactly what pediatricians recommend for safe newborn sleep. The padded structure of the bassinet gives it a soft, cozy feel without compromising on support. When it comes to functionality, the Cowiewie doesn't disappoint. It's height adjustable with 6 levels, so it's easy to align with most adult beds. This is a huge advantage for night feedings and quick soothing sessions without having to get out of bed. For postpartum recovery, especially after a C-section, this kind of convenience can make a world of difference. Mobility is another thoughtful touch. The bassinet comes with 4 lockable wheels, allowing you to easily roll your sleeping baby from room to room. Whether you're in the bedroom, living room, or even working from home and want your baby close by, this feature makes it incredibly versatile. The locks on the wheels keep the bassinet securely in place once you've positioned it where you want. Assembling the Cowiewie Bassinet is pretty straightforward. It does require assembly, but everything is designed for ease of setup. Once it's put together, it's sturdy and reliable, no wobbles or worries. This bedside sleeper is not just about practicality, it's also about style and adaptability. Available in 5 different colors, you're not limited to just gray. You can pick the one that best matches your home's aesthetic. It's the kind of bassinet that looks good in any setting and doesn't feel like a temporary, clunky piece of furniture. With a maximum weight recommendation of 19.8 pounds, this bassinet is ideal for your baby's first few months, offering a cozy, safe, and parent-friendly sleep solution. Whether you're a first-time parent or adding another little one to the family, this is a solid, stylish, and smart choice. So, if you're looking for a bassinet that checks all the boxes, breathable, adjustable, portable, and easy on the eyes, the Cowiewie Bassinet Bedside Sleeper definitely deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns just like this one. See you in the next video.